You've solved 500 LeetCode problems. You feel like a genius. But then you get a real job. Your first task: design the architecture for a new microservice. You have no idea what to do. LeetCode never prepared you for this. LeetCode taught you algorithms, not systems. You can solve a medium problem in 45 minutes. But you can't design a scalable system. LeetCode is a certification of pattern matching, not programming skill. You memorized how to solve binary tree problems. That doesn't mean you can build real software. Real programming is about trade-offs. About databases. About concurrency. About deployment. LeetCode doesn't teach any of that. LeetCode is memory training. Specifically, muscle memory for patterns. You're not learning to think. You're learning to recognize shapes. The best LeetCode players? Often junior developers. Why? Because junior brains are better at memorization, not understanding. The worst part? Companies use LeetCode to filter candidates. They think solving hard problems equals building good software. It doesn't. You've eliminated half your good candidates because they can't remember how to reverse a linked list in 30 minutes. Meanwhile, the LeetCode champion gets hired and can't write working code. LeetCode is a proxy metric. For what? Not skill. You could be great at LeetCode and terrible at software engineering. You could be bad at LeetCode and excellent at building systems. Real developers solve problems. Not LeetCode problems. Real problems. Messy data. Unclear requirements. Changing specs. Performance issues that emerge in production. LeetCode never teaches you how to handle ambiguity. How to communicate. How to debug in production. So you graduate from LeetCode thinking you're ready. You're not. LeetCode is a factory of false confidence. It creates people who think they're smarter than they are. Because they memorize patterns. The arrogance is the most dangerous part. Because it prevents learning. You think you already know everything. So you don't ask questions. Don't learn from seniors. Don't grow. LeetCode Medium is not a senior developer certificate. It's a pattern matching trophy. The sooner you realize LeetCode is irrelevant to real work, the sooner you can learn actual skills. Reading code. Understanding systems. Making trade-offs. These are what matter. LeetCode teaches you to optimize for the wrong metric. The wrong metric is, how fast can you remember a solution? The right metric is, can you build something useful? LeetCode optimizes for hiring filters, not for creating good engineers. So thousands of people waste thousands of hours solving fake problems to get jobs where they struggle with real problems. Welcome to the illusion factory, where grinding LeetCode feels like progress. But it's not.